Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your address on your Monzo account. Now, first things first, just so you know guys, I need to tell you that before you actually start this process, that when you're doing this process, you're going to be needing to use your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID to actually confirm that it's actually you for verification process before you can actually change your address. So if you have that ready, guys, what you can do is you can head over to your home screen on the app, okay, the Monzo app, and then you want to tap on your profile icon picture at the top left corner of the screen. And then basically, guys, you'll see the settings cog. You want to tap on that icon right there. Then you want to tap on your name. After you tap on your settings cog, it will bring you another menu. You want to tap on your name from the list at the top of the screen. And then, guys, what you're going to do is you want to tap on your address under the contact details. Then you're going to go ahead and change your address. And of course, they'll ask you to verify yourself using your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Do the confirmation, and boom, guys, your home address would have been changed. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it does, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions, and I'll see you in the next one.